fighting out of the red corner, weighing 13 kilograms, fighting under Polomolo, San Cotabato. And it is a Raven Corsula. And his opponent in 3 rounds, fighting out of the blue corner, weighing 30 kilograms, fighting under General Santos City Team A. Ladies and gentlemen, and it is a Nick Aranez.
Good luck.
Beginning of round 1.
Yok pundo. Nah. Bang, sige. Boom. Tura. Sige. Yan lang. Ay, yak pundo. Liok. La. Ay, kira. Bang! Sige, oh! Sige, hawa! Oh, hawa! Oh! Okay. Let's go! Bang! Oh! Boom!
End of round is number 1.
Napay dua.
Next ball, Gapa and Gapalio, please prepare.
Bang, boy. Fighter ba kayo dito?
Di macam mana nila eh?
Kasi daw wala primero.
Dari Japon daw.
Dari Japon. Okay, sikat out.
Let's go!
Let's go, boss.
1-0. Let's go. Roto.
Second round.
Kasing.
Seconds baba na.
Aper.
Timing ha. Boom! Kala! Oh, boom! Counter! Boom! Bang! Woo! Boom! Ah! Oh! Woo! Bang! Oh, hawa! Oh! Boom!
Nice one.
Up! Okay. Good man. Bang! Oh! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Let's go.
Let's go, Kurt! Minti lang. Ayoko sabay mong liyok ah. Liyok, sige. Physical. Bayi, sayang. Kira. Liyok, kira. Ready lang. Okay.
End of round is number 2. End of the second round.
Let's go.
Go! Hey! Last round. Okay, seconds out.
Seconds, baba na. Last round, round number 3.
Pang last round.
Boom! Sige. Bang! Sige! gyapon, street talk gyapon. Wala isa. Timing. Pagsulod dia. Ayo kira. Pagsulod dia. Kira, wala na. Bang! Sige. Ulati. Bang! Sige. Bang! Woo! Counter berada. Bang! Okay, 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Let's go! Bang! Sige! Score! Wala! Bang! Woo! Okay! Yes! Woo!
The last and final round.
Ayos kayo.
Basta ka milti.
Ikaw may librian? Abi ko ba ako? Coach, grabe ka rin dad, Coach. Woo!
And Gabalio. Please prepare.
Nice one, Kurt.
Match.
Kadingilan ba?
Ha?
Kila Nicole.
Oo.
Kiniloy.
Dangkagan. Abi na ko andula sa una. Dangkagan.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's the result of bout number 44. Winner by unanimous decision, the Rip.
Yeah! Woo! Woo!
Wasak.
Hey! 2-0, man. 2-0, Coach.
2-0 na.
Officiating referee for bout number 545.
Bata.
Nationalities.
Kurt.
Judge 1,